Hello and welcome to HTML5 course. I'm Wahid Ahmad, a member of One Robotic team and your instructor for HTML5 course. In this course, I will teach you HTML5 from the very basic to advanced level. And this is going to be the first video of our HTML5 course. It would be an introduction to HTML5. Now we will understand what is HTML. HTML has a full form. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Um, it has two parts, okay? Hypertext and then markup. Hypertext means when you see something, search something on the internet, on a specific website, when you click on something, you go from one part to another part of a website, or maybe from one website to another website. That is the hypertext part. With HTML we create links that help us to move from one part to another part, or maybe from one website to another website. The markup part is when you search something on the internet on a specific website, there would always be some text like this, or maybe table or some other data. That is markup. And language means language. HTML was first introduced in 1991, and the first version was HTML2, then it was HTML3, then 4, and the recent updated version is HTML5. We have some recent and beautiful features in HTML5 that we will discuss in upcoming videos that weren't there in other HTML version. So the new updated version is HTML5. Every browser support this version. HTML is used to create and design the structure of a website and the internet. We use HTML to create the structure of a website and the human body. If we look at the skeleton or bones, that is HTML. With the help of HTML, we create the skeleton and the structure of a website. Then there comes the skin and tissues of the human body, then the soul and veins, blood that we for the same thing on a website. We use style and functionality that we do with CSS and JavaScript that we will learn in the future courses. Uh, HTML uses tags to describe the structure of a web page. We use tags in HTML to describe the structure of a web page. And one more thing, just keep in mind the most common mistake people make. HTML is not a programming language, okay? It is a markup language. You cannot call HTML a programming language. It is a markup language. So we use tags for HTML to describe or maybe design the structure of a web page. Now we will understand what are HTML tags. HTML has tags to design the structure of a web page, okay? All HTML tags come in pairs, except some of tags. We will discuss all the tags in the upcoming videos. Just stay with us. All the HTML tags are in pairs, okay? It has an opening tag like this. This is opening tag, then a closing tag. How do we write the tag? How do we create a tag? We use the less than sign, then the tag name like this HTML, then the greater than sign. We have many tags in HTML. This is just one example. For the closing tag, we use the less than sign, then the forward slash, the tag name, and then the greater than sign. HTML tags are like container, okay? We put something inside the container, and it is the same. We put some information inside these two tags, and the browser will display these information on our website. So it is like a container. We put information inside the closing and the opening and the closing tag. So this would be the introduction to HTML. Now I will tell you what text editor I will be using for this course in HTML5. I'm using Sublime Text Editor. This is Sublime Text Editor is beautiful and easy to use. There are many text editor on the internet that you can use for HTML5, but Sublime Text Editor is easy and free. Just search a Sublime Text Editor, free download on Google, and go to the official website of Sublime Text Editor, and then download the specific version for your computer. If you are using Mac, Apple, just download the Mac version. If you're using Windows and Linux, just download the Windows and Linux version. I have already downloaded it here. This is the Sublime Text Editor, so just keep it downloaded with you on your computer for the upcoming videos, because in the next video we will start coding in HTML5. We will write codes, we will write tags, okay? And I will be writing all of them in Sublime Text Editor. So for further videos, just subscribe to our channel of One Robotic Team and press the bell icons so you won't miss any update. Thank you so much.